If you have a house and you're dealing with some type of code violations or city violations or environmental type of violations, or you've received some type of notice, this video is definitely for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses that have some type of code violations or some type of violation attached to it. For over 14 years, we've been buying houses in Columbus and all through Central Ohio and all through the great state of Ohio. It's very common, I will be upfront with you. And I'm not here to throw any negativity towards the officers and the city workers and things like that. They all do a great job. They're just doing their job. And code violations are very, very common. A lot of sellers that I talk to have some type of code violation. It could be anything from a gutter to maybe the house needs to get boarded up if it's sitting vacant. It could be the grass. It could be trash. It could be any number of things, big or small. If you're dealing with code violations, it might be time just to sell the property in its as-is condition. We absolutely could work with you. We buy houses in their as-is condition, and we can handle all the code violations for you. Completely get it out of your name. We'll handle everything. We'll work with the city if we need to. We see this all the time. We've been buying houses with code violations for over 14 years. It's not uncommon to us. We'll absolutely get all this taken care of for you, but most importantly, we're going to get you a fair price for the house, and we're a cash buyer, so we can close on the date of your choice. So you don't need to fix anything. You don't need to clean anything. You don't need to even address the code violation. We will take ownership of this whole thing. We'll work with the code violation officers or the city or anyone that's involved, completely get this behind you, get you a fair price for the property. This way you can move on, put some money in the bank, and get this thing done. So if you have a house, you're dealing with some type of code violations, contact us today for a fair cash offer, and our number is 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. And by the way, when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. We are local. This is not a call center, so there's no games or tactics. Like, there's no pressure. This is not a sales call. We just need to know more about the house and then know more about your timeline and when you're looking to close. Some people are looking to close fast, and we could accommodate that. Other people need time to move, or maybe they need some help coordinating something else going on in their life. They need flexibility. We could help you with that as well. So since we're a cash buyer, we'll buy the house in its as-is condition, even if there's code violations. We see it all the time, and we can close on your timeline. All the control is left with you. The ball's in your court. We're going to be very fair with you and treat you with the respect that you deserve. So if you have a house and you're dealing with some code violations, don't let it get you down. Contact us today. We'll help you through this thing. Our number is 614-300-5151, or you can visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.